Alright guys, I have these fully done, and I'll take one down here and show you how I put these together. You can see how well it lights the garage, but there's kind of a problem. And I don't know, it lights the garage really well, but yeah, I'll show you. Okay, now how I have these wired up is I have these little power supplies right there. I think there are 5 or 7 amps. They're definitely enough to run these bulbs off of. I got the bulb sitting right in there like that. And see the wire goes up from the back of the bulb, goes up and back. Let this white balance adjust here. Ugh. And then it's just plugged into the power supply. And you can see they light the whole garage up pretty well. But the problem is that I've been in here for about 2 hours now, and my eyes hurt. And when they're unplugged and I have my radio on and then I go to plug them in, the radio starts to get this high hissing sound. So these bulbs are putting out some type of RF that's enough to mess up my radio, and my eyes kind of hurt. I don't know if you've ever been in like a club or anything like that where you're exposed to black light for a long time. Well, after a little while your eyes start to feel strained, and that's how mine feel right now. So this is not a... I don't like this. I mean, it lights this whole area up, but my eyes feel real dang strained right now. Yeah. I'm gonna have to figure something else out. I mean, it's a good idea using them, but see, it's just the bar. The bar arcs across the top of the ceiling, and I can put, if I wanted to, I could take the bar down and put the bar on a stand and have these running vertical or horizontal or whatever, you know, as like studio lighting type of things. But this is just, and I don't even think diffused would help if I put some type of diffusing shield in front of there or whatever, because this is, it's not, the irritation is coming from the high frequency that's coming off of these things. I mean, if it's strong enough to mess up a radio, then it's obviously not very good for your eyes, you know what I'm saying? Those of you guys who mess around with ham radio and stuff know that RF is not good for eyes, you know. So I'm gonna have to figure something else out on this, because this don't feel natural. My eyes hurt. And it's not, you know, I haven't been looking at these things for a long time or anything like that. I actually went over and got onto the computer over there. But yeah, I've only been in here for about 2.5 hours, because I finalized these things. Because I worked on it yesterday, and then today I worked on them, and then I got them done. Wired them all up and everything. And, you know, I've had them on. I've been walking around the shop here and stuff. And, yeah, this is not a good idea. This is irritating my eyes. So I'm gonna have to come up with some other type of lighting here. See, if I stand over here by the entrance, see, I've got that light right over here, and then I've got that one. So I made 2 of them, and you can see how well they light the whole area up. But yeah, this but I don't see any flickering in the camera or nothing. Yeah, I don't know. All I can tell you is that this isn't good. So I'm gonna turn these things off. Here, hold on a second. I'll turn on the radio, and you guys can listen to the radio and listen what happens. You might be able to hear the fan in the background from one of the lights. Okay, you can hear that? Okay, hopefully YouTube doesn't copyright strike me. Now, Listen to this. I'll turn this around, I'll unplug it. Did you hear the difference in the radio? I don't know, that's bad. That's really bad if simple LED headlights are gonna put off enough RF to mess up the radio like that. And I don't think they're the power supplies. I highly doubt they're the power supplies. I think it's coming directly from the bulbs. But, man, I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get on out of here. Tell me what you think. I think it was a good idea, but yet not one. Not a good idea. Alright, see you guys later. And thumbs up the video, and I'll see. Welcome to all my new viewers and all my new subscribers. And post a comment down below. Talk to you later.